John and the Alien. One day, John was looking at the sky. He saw a bright light descending. The light gradually descended and lands near him. Initially, John was frightened, but as the light turned into an alien says, "Hello, John, would you be my friend? I am alien from other planet and I have come to see your wonderful earth." So they become friends, and John takes alien to his home. They take dinner together. Parents of John were very happy to see alien. As alien was enjoying the dinner, he saw a tomato, and as he eats the tomato, its juice, he says, "It is very tasty. What is this?" John says, "This is tomato." Alien says, "This is fantastic, and I want to see the factory where you are manufacturing this. You are manufacturing the juice, so tasty, and I want to see how you are filling the juice into it, so jointless, so smooth." John smiles. He says, "Okay, I will show you in the morning." In the morning, John takes alien to his farms and shows him the plants growing the tomatoes. Also, he shows various other plants and the trees, showing the various vegetables and the fruits, like the mangoes, like the grapes, and so many others. Alien was astonished to see all these factories. He says, "These are beautiful factories, automatically producing the vegetables and the, the fruits." He asks, "Where is the raw material for this?" John picks up some sand and shows, "This is the raw material from where the plants take their own food. We put water into it, we put fertilizers into it, and in the presence of the sunlight, plants synthesize all these things together and make these so beautiful vegetables and the fruits. Some are sweet, some are bitter, some are sour." Alien is too astonished that with the same raw material, the plants are able to make a sweet thing also, a bitter thing also, a sour thing also, and a colorful thing also, and the flowers having the different fragrances, and they are of different shapes, different colors. The plants are so wonderful. He says, Earth is more wonderful than any other planet. John smiles. He says, "Okay, I will take you around my village." John takes him around, and there was a cow being milked. Alien says, "What is this?" John says, "This is a cow, and this is the milk. We make the tea and the coffee and the sweets from it, and the cheese." Alien says, "Where is the raw material for this?" John picks up some grass and other vegetables. He shows, "Yes, this is the raw material. Cow eats this, and inside mechanism turns into the milk." Alien was too astonished. He says, "Wonderful. What a nature. It is producing so nice things so automatically." John takes him around to some beautiful gardens having the beautiful flowers, colorful flowers, rose. There was fragrance from all the flowers, different shapes, different colors. He says, "This is all on the plants. This is all automatically produced. And this is nature. This is on the Mother Earth." He takes him to a small zoo and shows him the different birds of different colors, different shapes, animals, different shapes and colors. These are all the created on earth. Alien was too astonished to see all these things on the earth. He says, "It is so wonderful." John says, "Plants give out oxygen, which we respire, we need for life. And whatever carbon dioxide we are taking out as a byproduct, as a waste product, plants take that for assimilating in the food. That is the cycle. And if there were no plants and the trees, there is nothing which can give us oxygen in the atmosphere. which can replenish the oxygen in the atmosphere, which can take away the bad carbon dioxide from the atmosphere back and clean it. So these are the plants and the trees only. An automatic cycle is there. Alien was too happy to see all these things having been done on the earth. He says it is wonderful, earth. Then John takes Alien to his school. His principal is happy to see him. In the auditorium, principal requests Alien to say a few words to his students. Alien says, I have seen your wonder earth. There are beautiful plants and the trees. They are giving you all the food, all the vegetables, fruits, the flowers, beautiful leaves, colorful leaves, and they are giving you the oxygen for life, which is essential. They are taking away carbon dioxide from your atmosphere, which you are giving into the atmosphere. If they don't remove the carbon dioxide, there will be all around the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and you can't respire. And John has told me that many people are indiscriminately removing and cutting the trees. They are not respecting the trees. This is not good. So he requested all the students to take care to protect the plants and the trees and grow as much trees and the plants on this Mother Earth, because they are life. They are giving you life. They are giving the fruits and the vegetables and the colorful flowers and the oxygen to live and taking away your carbon dioxide. So all the students clapped. In the evening, Alien says goodbye to John and his parents, and he turns into a light, saying that he will revisit your Wonder Earth. We have become friends, and he will bring more and more information from other planets, and they will share the information and for a nice living. And he will share things, what are the things on the other planets next time on his visit. And he thanked them, and gradually the light goes up into the sky. John and his parents waved at the light till it vanishes into the sky. Thank you.